Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI.
You know those people that love ironing? Yeah, I'm not one of them. I actually despise it. But unfortunately, clothes get wrinkles in them, and this steamer from Timeangela really helped me out. We've actually owned a steamer before, but it was such a contraption and a headache to use. This Timeangela steamer, on the other hand, is compact and lightweight, and using it was a breeze. And it heated up so fast, which means I could get the job done quicker. It didn't matter what material I was steaming. I used it on my t-shirts, bed sheets, pillowcases. I mean, it was a ton of stuff, but they all came out looking silky smooth. I also love the fact that it doesn't drip or leak everywhere like some steamers do. As much as I would love for ironing to completely disappear, there are some things that just need to be ironed. But do I need to have a separate iron for that? Nope, because this one is two in one. That's right, it steams, but it can also be used as a regular iron. This feature is by far my favorite because it's so handy and convenient. It has the fabric settings built in that will adjust to exactly the right temperature, so I don't have to worry about burning my clothes, which I actually did very recently. And the silicone base that it came with was a plus, once again ensuring that I don't burn anything else.
Not only is this steamer great quality, but it has brought back some joy into my ironing and my steaming routine, which I definitely needed desperately. I'm so happy I discovered this, and that's my point of view.